Hey there, welcome back to my channel where you enjoy watching me making lovely DIYs to inspire you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me your sweet comments. In this video, I am part of Napkin Exchange Challenge where a group of crafters exchange 5 kind of napkins to create some home decor DIY. And the theme for this month is centerpiece or candy dish using sunflowers. This challenge is hosted by Sarah at Sunflowers and DIYing, and the co-host is Belas Bergens. These two ladies are very talented. You can check out their channel's link as well as the playlist link in my description box below. I am sure that you will enjoy watching these videos with these crafters making incredible DIYs with napkins. I received my napkins from Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY. She is amazing. Don't forget to check out her channel in my description box below. And I sent my napkins to Brandy at Treasure Tomorrow. Don't forget to check out her channels too. In this video, we are making 3 gorgeous centerpieces using napkins. So I received these napkins from Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY. These amazing napkins, wow, and this truck, these sunflowers, buffalo check, these leaves. Thank you so much, Brenda. For first project, we have been using these wood slice that I got from Michael's. Even Dollar Tree has these wood slice. I painted with apple barrel white paint. We apply a coat of Mod Podge. Then we place a piece of this napkin directly on the Mod Podge and then press it down nice and firm. This piece of parchment paper helps me to press on top of the napkin to make it flat and avoid air bubbles. We're gonna apply this napkin on top on each wood slice. With this nail file, I'm sanding out all around this slice to remove the excess of napkin. Now we have 4 slices with this cute napkin, buffalo check and the sunflowers. And this crate that I got at Dollar Tree. I noticed that I need to cover the back of each slice too. We're gonna do the same thing. So paint it with white apple barrel, then when it's dry, I'm gonna apply some Mod Podge and a piece of this napkin. So I need each side of the slice be covered with this napkin. So now the wood slice are covered with this napkin on 2 sides. I'm removing the excess with this nail file. There we are going to glue 2 slices on each side of this crate with hot glue. I have this thick wool covering this slice on the top all around. We are making a tiny bow with this buffalo check ribbon in the center in the front of this centerpiece and in the back too. With hot glue, we are adding 2 pieces of this floral foam to add our flowers and some greenery. Sunflowers. Like they arrange them inside this centerpiece. Adding some leaves, some pine cones, some decoration for fall, and some small pumpkins, dry pumpkins, yes, for decoration. What do you think about this centerpiece? Let's see my final look. Voila, voila. This is our first centerpiece for today. Let's see the second one. For the second one, I have another crate from Dollar Tree, a frame to use this glass in the back of this crate. This glass I'm gonna cover it with this napkin. Cutting a piece of this pumpkin napkin and cover this glass After applying Mod Podge, then I put this napkin on top of Mod Podge. Then dab in with this piece of plastic on top of the napkin to make it flat as possible. Go ahead and just put this glass out of the way and let it dry and start working on this crate. Paint it with apple butter white paint all over this crate to cover it with this beautiful leaves napkin. Take off, of course, the layers, then cut the piece, long piece, to cover all around this crate. Apply Mod Podge first, then adding on top of this crate this napkin. Mod Podge and napkin on top, all around. When it's fully dry, this crate, I'm using this nail file to remove all the excess of the napkin all around to make it neat. Going down to remove this excess of napkin. Voila, maintenant. Also the glass, I'm removing the excess with this nail file. I want to make two sides of this glass with these two popsicle sticks. We hot gluing each side of this glass as a sandwich between these two popsicle sticks. As you see, put glass with hot glue between these two popsicle sticks, and this in one side and other side too, to cover the sides of this glass. Then we hot glue this piece of glass in the inside of this crate, gluing these tiny sunflowers on top of this napkin pumpkin. We are making a small bow with this buffalo check ribbon to give dimension to this centerpiece, this floral foam, to add my garden inside this decoration. So sunflowers, some foam pumpkins, to create a lovely centerpiece with all these sunflowers. Look how it turned out. Isn't that amazing? Let me know in your comment below, what do you think about this one? I love it. What about you guys? Now let's jam to last centerpiece. Let's make another beautiful centerpiece. I'm using these two crates and the small frame that I got from Dollar Tree and this beautiful napkin with sunflowers. I glue the two crates on top of each other and I cover in the two sides to cover the holes. Now we are painting this big piece with the apple barrel white paint. When it is dry, I'm applying this beautiful napkin on top of the Mod Podge after removing two layers. This napkin has two layers. So after applying Mod Podge, we are laying this napkin on top of this Mod Podge using this paintbrush and pressing with this dry napkin to make it flat on top of this crates, with these crates. So to make it flat on this crate. When it's fully dry, We are removing the excess of this napkin all around these two crates using this nail file. Okay, covering the top with this white paint to make it look clean. We're removing the back of this small frame, this tiny frame, and I hot glue the glass on the frame so it will not move. Next, we are adding these tiny sunflowers inside this tiny frame. So we are gluing these sunflowers on the corner of this frame in the back with hot glue. I am fixing. Then we hot glue this frame on top of this crate. I cut my wording using my Cricut machine to spell the word or the sentence, "You are my sunshine." I used my white vinyl. After that, I sealed all my pieces with my Mod Podge to look sealed. We add floral foam inside this crate to arrange all this bouquet of sunflowers. Et voilà mon dernier projet. I told you guys we're gonna make a beautiful centerpiece. Let me know in your comment below what do you think about all these 3 projects. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much for spending your time with me, and see you soon. Bye.